Mohandas Ranjhan Valecha, born on 4th February 1945 in Garyasi, Sindh, undivided India. His early life. Shree Mohandas Valecha was born as a grandson in a well-known business family of Seth Motiram Meherchand. Father Kavi Master Ranjhan was a renowned Sindhi poet, song composer and lyricist. In his early journey during partition, the entire family had to leave everything behind, after which they settled in Ulhasnagar. There, they started again everything from scratch. Being the eldest child of the family, Mr. Mohan, a self-made man, started sharing his family's responsibilities along with his father at a very young age. He started working in different small industries where he learned the working of the lathe machine and the art of mold making for unique products, and there began the dream of entrepreneurship. His professional aspects. As it is said, a dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. With his hard work and determination in 1969, he started his small factory with one small machine and started the production and supply of water treatment components to some famous water treatment industries like Iron Exchange India Limited. Expanding day by day with aptitude and mastery in his field, in 1980, Shree Mohandas Ji started with two more factories, one in Ulhasnagar and other in Mulund, to serve companies like Rallies, Crompton, etc. Further, in 1999, flying the wings in South India and opening a new unit in Hosur, Tamil Nadu, serving and diversifying his expertise and automobile industry such as Ashok Leyland. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. This holds so true for Valecha ji. Further, the journey continues. As success is not a point to be reached, it's a journey of conquering your dreams. Factories in Bangalore, equipped with ultra-modern and automatic machinery, ISO and IATF certified and amongst one of the largest auto industry supplier for Maruti Suzuki, Ford, TVS Motors, Hyundai, Kia Motors and many more. They were selected by ET Now news channel for the India's top 5 for leaders of tomorrow and several other recognitions. His social involvement. Since the very beginning, Shree Mohandas Ji had the motto of helping others and contributing to the betterment of people around him. Apart from this, he passionately promotes Sindhi culture through gatherings and celebrates the essence of it. In 2015, in loving memory of his beloved father, Kavi Ranjan, he set up a community hall, Master Ranjhan Sindhu Bhavan, with the sole aim of celebrating and promoting Sindhiyat. A Sindhi musical drama held every third Sunday of the month, and singers all over India are invited to showcase their talent at MRSB. Several other gatherings such as skate, bhagat, folk dance performances, fancy dress, 101 Bairana, 101 Sukhmani, food festival, organizing film shows at theatres, celebrations of festivals, all in a mother language Sindhi are held at MRSB. Even social and cultural activities like health checkup camps, daily free yoga and free summer or training camps for the youth are held from time to time. Apart from this, he made documentary film Sindhi Sangeet Samrat on Kavi Master Ranjhan, published books Rag Sa Rejai and Ranjan Ju Rehanyu, video song album Rag Sa Rejai in his voice. He has been felicitated by various organizations for promoting Sindhi culture and traditions. He has also got his lifetime achievement for all his work and dedication towards the Sindhi community and the society. Today, he lives his dream and continues this special journey by contributing back to the society and expanding his business through his undying efforts and intelligent approaches. With him as an inspiration, we put a message to the generations ahead. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges.
Oh Allah, Allah, Mohan Nas खुश रहे. Allah, Allah, Mohan Nas खुश रहे. Allah, Allah, Mohan Nas खुश रहे. Allah, Allah, Mohan खुश रहे, वो सदा खिलतो रहे, ओ भाऊ चुप चुप जिए, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, नची टपी जय हो, सुहेड़ो मुकड़ो जंहिंजो सुहिणो नाम आ, सुहेड़ो मुकड़ो जंहिंजो सुहिणो नाम आ, रांझन जे रूप में भाऊ मोहनदास आ, रांझन जे रूप में भाऊ मोहनदास आ, ओ झूलन में सदा भाऊ झूलंदो रहे, ओ झूलन में सदा भाऊ झूलंदो रहे, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ खुश रहे, देव देवताओं की आशीष आहे, देव देवताओं की आशीष आहे, जुग जुग जिए भाऊ हर को चाहे, जुग जुग जिए भाऊ हर को चाहे, खुशियों सदा भाऊ मानी तो रहे, खुशियों सदा भाऊ मानी तो रहे, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ सदा खिलतो रहे, ओ सदा खिलतो रहे, ओ भाऊ जुग जुग जिए, ओ भाऊ जुग जुग जिए, अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, जोरदार तालियों, मास्टर रांझन कवि की गुरुमुख जी आस आहे, गुरुमुख जी आए, झूलन दर हर दास आए, झूलन दर हर दास आए, ओ खुशियों सदा मोहनदास मानी तो रहे, ओ खुशियों सदा दास मानी तो रहे, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ सदा खिलतो रहे, ओ सदा खिलतो रहे, ओ भाऊ जुग जुग जिए, जुग जुग जिए, अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे, ओ अल्लाह अल्लाह मोहनदास खुश रहे।